Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this is Kadena price prediction for December 2021. Now Kadena is decentralized, secure and scalable proof of work blockchain. Okay, so I invested in this project when it was just $1 and I made over 20x gains on it. So I took this portfolio from 5k to 325k in just a couple of months. And the reason I did it is because I invest into tokens that have insane utility and that are extremely undervalued. And when there's huge utility, the price will correct itself at some point, and it literally does like this. It just moves. Okay, and in quarter 4, I made 20x on Kadena in 1 month, 10x on Altura in 1 week, 10x in Opulos in 1 month, 10x on Flux in 1 month, and 7x on Ad in just 1 week, and multiple 3x gains. So it has been insane, and yeah, it's just crazy. So now I have kind of like taken profits and rolled into new projects. So if you want to see like what I'm buying right now and what I have invested into and what I'm buying in the future, you can get instant access to the portfolio. You will also get these bonuses. So for example, you get email alerts when I buy new crypto gems. You will get strategy and tactic videos on how to find these 100x moonshot crypto projects. It has been taking me years to learn this stuff. Like I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, and like it has been very painful to learn this stuff. I have lost a lot of money, energy and time on this. You will also get wealthy investor frameworks, so even more compressed information videos, because Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger says we learn from our mistakes through mistakes, but the mistakes don't have to be ours. So you can now learn from like my mistakes, and this is very valuable. This is insane. I wish that back in 2016 somebody would have made something like this. You will also get emails containing secret information. So every time I buy something, or every time I buy a new token, or also when I get new information about like IDOs, NFT means launches, anything new information, I will email you instantly. So this is by far the best value that I can provide to you. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out in the description. Anyway, so I want to show you that because that is the best opportunity that I can offer to you guys. I mean, just hands down, this is the best value. So also we're right now in the middle of the craziest bull run, cryptocurrency bull run ever. So there's no time to be waste. So if you want to take action, you need to take action right now so you don't miss out. Anyway, so I'm not financial advisor, and go check out the video in the description for more information. Anyway, so let's look at the Kadena price prediction right now. So I have on Kadena, I'm already up 20x. It's you know what I'm saying. So if we go for example here from 10x, Kadena would be $160. So for me, I'm already up 10x. So the risk reward here, when it started to get here, it started to be risk reward for me started to be like not the best one. So that's why I took profits on Kadena, definitely, because look at I made over it's insane. The gains were insane. So yeah, right now when we went up, it overshoot a little, and now we are retracing, and it seems that we are finding support here at this range. Look at here at $16 seems to be the sweet spot here, $16 to $17. So if you know about Kadena, you know that the max supply is the token unlocking is going to be like from mining, because it's proof of work. So there's not going to be dumps like there's not going to be huge VC dumps or anything like that. So it's just like mining. And if you go to the website, you can see that the graph goes like it gradually like goes like this. So it's very healthy. It's very healthy. Even though the fully diluted valuation looks pretty crazy here because of the tokens unlockings. But anyway, so yeah, I think that Kadena can still. So this is scalable, secure and decentralized proof of work blockchain. They are now working with UFO. There's all kinds of crazy things. There's gas stations. This is like top tier project. They have their own smart contract language packed. Like it's just crazy. So they have now started working with UFO gaming, or should I say UFO gaming has started now working with Kadena. So that's very interesting. That's pretty interesting. I didn't see that coming. That was very like, wow. Okay, so that's very interesting. So now if we are going to to Kadena, for to go with higher and higher and higher, it has to get more utility. And this run from here to here was just based on because it was so undervalued and the utility was huge and it was new thing. So now I can see it go higher if we get kind of like a new updates, partnerships. So wrapped Kadena is so it's launching right now, I believe, and there's just tons of new stuff. So we need new stuff, new hype. Okay, so when we get that, I think that Kadena can absolutely blow up. I can see Kadena going to 10x from here. I can, like, $160. I could see that happening in this bull run, like, definitely. There has been a couple of things here that, because it's a new project, there's going to be some issues, you know. So there was one issue that they created, like the Kadena addresses, so K address and stuff like that. So that, I think that that's when the price started like to dump a little bit here. That was very it's very weird. But anyway, so I think that it has a lot of potential here, but I'm not currently, I'm not buying Kadena because I have found insane opportunities. Okay, I mean, just, it's crazy. So I don't want to fall in love with coin. I already made over 20 hacks on Kadena, you know. So I'm fine with that. If it goes to from here to $160, like, I'm fine over there. And if it goes to $1,600, I'm fine. I'm still in massive profits, you know. So I don't, because I made the mistakes of falling in love with coins back in 2017 and back in 2018, you know. So I lost a lot of, like, time and money, and, you know, just, you know, so much just falling in love with coins. But I think that Kadena has a lot of still, like, it's just, it hasn't even begun. So if we are going to have a blow off top, for example, in December, and after that there's going to be bear market, I'm definitely one. If Kadena goes back to like these prices, I mean, I'm definitely in, because this is a legit project. But right now, for my risk reward and my you know, my investment strategy, I'm not currently on that heavily on Kadena. You know, I'm not currently like buying anymore here, because, you know, I bought already here. It was for $1. Anyway, we will see what will happen. There's also the possibility that if we go like, if we don't have a blow off top in December, we could go super cycle to 2022, and that would be absolutely ridiculous if that happens, because it gives Kadena more time to create partnership, just build. And by the way, there's KDX, the first decentralized exchange on Kadena. I think that it's being released on December 2021. That could be one of the, like, new things that could, like, crazy catapult this project. And these guys also have huge partnerships, for example, with Cosmos, Terra, CeeLo, and these other huge projects, Polkadot, and stuff like that. So very interested to see what's going to happen. I think that this is a long-term hold project, but right now, the bull run is getting, like, a lot of things are very, very overvalued right now. So if you go look at the markets, for example, look at the gaming tokens, stuff like that. So, you know, I think that at some point there's going to be some kind of correction and some kind of bear market happening, but not right now. I believe we have not even had, like, the blow off top. So I think that there's a lot of juices left on Kadena. Comment down below what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see the portfolio, you can check it out, link in the description. And I'm not financial advisor, I'm just creating these videos. Peace out, and thank you so much.